If you mistakenly delete your Facebook page for whatever reason and you want to reactivate your Facebook page back, consider to watch this video because I will show you step by step on how to reactivate your deleted Facebook page without any strain. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook account. Just like so. Having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then navigate to settings and privacy. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to pages right here. Click on pages. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on view. So you'll be taken back to all the pages you have been deleted on your Facebook account. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on reactivate. It's as simple as that. And then the page has been fully reactivated. For you to confirm, simply click on the page icon. Then you have your page back lively without any stress. So basically, this is how to reactivate your deleted page on Facebook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Facebook topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.